Hello, my fellow countrymen. Good day. It's all about Dangote, Dangote, Dangote everywhere. It is the season of Dangote. I do not envy him. But I want to look at the real situation about Dangote. It is true that Dangote vehicles have killed a lot of people, destroyed a lot of people's properties, and so on. But Dangote is not alone in this act. I want Nigerians to understand one thing. I want to liken Dangote's situation to an armed robber broke a store, take away the wares, and sell to somebody else. In law, two of them will go in for whatever punishment the law has designed for them to face. We are all calling out Dangote, Dangote. But let me take us to another direction. There are agencies that are responsible for issuing these documents to make it valid for that vehicle to be on the road. Before somebody drives a truck, he must obtain what? A license. Who is in charge of the license? The road safety. For the vehicle to be in shape, to be in good condition before he heads towards the road, who is in charge of that? The VIO. To make sure that the documents they are carrying while traveling on the road is in order. Who is in charge? The police. But I want to let us know, it's not only Dangote's truck. Most of these transporters, especially from the eastern region, I don't want to mention their name. If you observe, if you're a traveler, you notice that police hardly stop any of these major transporters on the road, as if there's an agreement between them and the police or the road safety. They don't stop them, but they can stop private cars. They can stop cars that are not branded as transporters. Is it that the ones that are branded as transporters or known as major companies don't commit offense? Before that truck that knocked down Fina's sister, that's Ruth Otabo, before that man drove that truck to that point without license, where did he take off from? How many checkpoints has he passed before he got to that point? Are you telling me he did not see VIO on the road? He did not see police on the road? He did not meet road safety on the road? Why didn't they check to find out that that man wasn't with his driving license? Somebody has compromised. Look, let me tell us, the level of corruption in this country has eaten so deep. Take a look at what I'm saying. All the major transporters in this country, neither police nor VIO nor road safety stop any of these vehicles as they're applying the road, except the unknown ones they stop. Since the drivers knew that they hardly stopped them, they can take advantage of the lapses. Anybody can drive the car without license. Arms can be carried in this vehicle without being checked, because once they see the brand name, the coast is free for them to drive on. We are shouting of selective justice here and there that the government is committing, but among the agencies is very high. Selective justice. Once a car is branded and the owner is popular, they don't stop them, because either beginning of the year, they have a way they settle the various agencies that are supposed to check them on the road. And there's this instruction, I believe, has been passed from the top, that they shouldn't stop these vehicles on the road. By so doing, insecurity is on the increase. You may not even know Whether these vehicles that are not checked as they are moving on daily basis are the carriers of arms, which the terrorists or bandits are using. They terrorize the fellow Nigerians. Nobody knows. Is it because Dangote vehicle now has issues? It looks as if it's only the one on the road. Because rooms has been created. Lapses is there, which every one of them concerned knows. So anybody can just call up anybody who is idle to take up a truck and move on, unchecked, because they have been guaranteed that no police or agency will stop them on the road. If the government really want to investigate this case, to find out how somebody could drive a truck of such a magnitude without license, if they investigate it, they will find out how terrible our system has gone. You want to tell me the VIO, the police, the road safety are not giving a blind eye to all these things I'm talking about? They know. It's only when there's an incident, Nigerians will come out and talk. This thing has been going on. It doesn't start today. If our police, if our agencies, the road safety, the VIO, the police, all of them really want to do their job, every vehicle must be stopped. Every vehicle must be checked. Every license of a driver must be checked. It shouldn't be selective. Away from what I've just said, Dangote should find a way to solve this problem of his vehicles, knocking people down, killing people, and not taking proper care of them. He should arrange with an insurance company, have a special policy with an addendum. Addendum is an extension of cover. An addendum, something that can protect him and his company, that if my vehicle, in the course of running on this road, knocks down somebody or kills somebody, such amount of money be paid to the victim. And it shouldn't be just a little amount. It can peg it at between 15-20 million as a compensation, so that if any of his truck gets involved in a ghastly accident, in an accident that either damages a car or takes his life or paralyzes somebody, as he's taking care of their medical bills, that amount which the addendum is bringing to table can take care of the person for his lifeline or for his business continuation if it's in a situation the person can no longer move or his vehicle has been a total write-off. This will save him a lot of stress. Looking at the case of Ruth's sister, if that policy is in place, the fact that he's taking care of the bills, at the end of the day, a check of this amount will be given to that victim. It's enough for somebody to kickstart his life somehow. This thing has been going on unchecked. Life has been lost. People have been abandoned in the hospital. If I were to be Dangote, this period of time, anybody in the hospital that his vehicle has been knocked down, let him foot the bill, clear the bills for them, find something to give them to start their life. He should take care of the bills of everybody his vehicle has knocked down that is still in the hospital, regardless of the period the person has been in the hospital. After which, a certain amount should be given to these people to start their life again. That can go a long way. I wish this video can get to him. Dangote, I believe you are listening to me. Work on my advice, and it shall be well with your company. Do have a blessed day. Please don't forget to subscribe, to comment, and to like. Thank you so much. And I don't know how long the Igbos are going to be chased up and down wherever they are found. I'm already talking of 2027. Nobody's looking at the happenings around the world. Here is questionable. The chief, in terms of giving title, should decline, no matter how much they offer them. The criminals are taking